I bought 100 ounces. Just boom. I was saving up money. I didn't know what to do really with it. And I ended up just pulling the trigger on 100 ounces. They were probably, it's probably 15, 1600 bucks. A lot of money for a younger guy that, didn't really have much money. Well, y'all do the math now. How much that 100 ounces of silver is. How much it was not even a couple months ago. I didn't sell, but think about it. That $1,500 just sitting. Well, y'all know how much $1,500 used to buy and how much it buys now. And then now how much that 100 ounces of silver, what is it, like probably, depending on where you sell it, who you sell it to, off market, or I say off market, but like private buyer, coin shop, whatnot, you're talking like, I think I called a coin shop and they were like 65 or 68 bucks. This is like a day or two ago. I guess it was Saturday. And I was like, well, I wasn't trying to sell. I was just curious what they were buying it for. And they were selling for 70. I think they were buying for 65, selling for 78 on Saturday, May the, I don't even know what day that was. Like the 16th or something. Yeah, May 16th. Anyways, so you're talking big little spread there. But anyways, if I was to sell, let's just say if I was to sell, that would have been a $50 per ounce increase. Now it didn't pay me dividends. Like if I would have invested that $1,500 back then in something else with the growth of stock with dividends, probably be a different return today. And this isn't financial advice, or I'm not encouraging fraud or anything like that. If you sell that to a private buyer, or maybe a coin shop that like a few coins at a time, I was doing silver rounds in smaller bars. Well, that's not, you might be able to kind of bypass some of those tax forms, we'll just say. But anyways, still that would have been a $5,000 return if I did, hypothetically, sell all of it. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to be posting a lot more, or at least regularly.